Warm welcome to your own channel Vikas English Academy. To go ahead in the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video as more and more people get interact with this. As we know that we celebrate second Sunday of May as Mother's Day. But in this day, Mother's Day celebration are only shown on social media and on your status. But in really, we know how a man or a person treats with or her mother. So, without any late, we should start the video. Today, I will discuss some facts about Mother's Day. So, start the video. No creature in this universe can be as potent as a mother. She is the one who is probably endowed with all the power. God has, in a way, given her the power to take up the affairs of the world. And in order to celebrate unfathomable power of a mother, we celebrate this exclusive day called Mother's Day, when each one of us in our own way honor motherhood and its essence. Every year, Mother's Day is celebrated in May when the whole world make it a point to celebrate the contribution a woman makes to take up in a smooth way her family along with her career and the way she contributes to the society. We will discuss today 7 facts about Mother's Day. First fact is a mother is a healer. Here a pic is given and some description is written on the right side of the pic. Mom, for all your love and kindness, for all your tender care, for all the joy that it has brought. Just knowing you were there for all of this and so much more. A card for you should bring a wish for every happiness. Thanks for everything. Happy Mother's Day. So celebrate Mother's Day as well as you can. Now, for all the children, kids and students, Mother's Day is a great time to show love to mother. The Mother's Day has been particularly dedicated to celebrating the power of a mother in all the odd circumstances. She takes care of her children in the best possible way. She forgets her own dream so that her child can fulfill his or her dream true. The day is celebrated on every second Sunday in the month of May. Mother's Day in 2018 is falling on 14th May, and on this year, Mother's Day is on 10th May. This auspicious day brings with it a lot of happiness and joyfulness. Children on this day bring different types of gifts for their mother and also participate in Mother's Day related activities in order to entice their mother. Now, second fact is our angel mother. Here also one pic is given and some description is written with a heart symbol. You were always there for me if I was sick or had bad dream or needed help with my homework. Even now, you always make me feel loved and important even when you have million other things on plate. Happy Mother's Day and thank you. It's a well-known fact celebrating a mother's contribution in life cannot be celebrated in a day or two, but day has been dedicated to make all mothers, but all mothers out there feel proud of themselves and can be can sorry can understand that life would not have been what it is today had not been there. It comes in the month of May every year and reminds people of the courage of mother that she shows up in order to make our life a brighter one. She is so patient that she listens to all our problems and gives the best solution to each one of them. Even if we get wrong somewhere in life, she never backs off her hands and keeps us motivating till the time she is alive. Now, we should talk about the third fact. As I have discussed above, that today I will talk about 7 facts on Mother's Day. Third fact is a children-mother relationship. Here also a pic is given. Happy Mother's Day. My mummy, you are my super mom in the world, in the whole world, and I am your tiny hero who always breaks the rule but never across the wild border. You always protect me with your magic touch and mighty hands. You never let me down, even if I am so close to be terminated from the universe. Susanna Otan, my dearest mummy, I love you today, tomorrow, and till the end. Happy Mama's Day. It means Happy Mother's Day. Children are particularly very much excited about Mother's Day. Preparation gets started a week before the day in school, and the parents are called to attend Mother's Day celebration in the school. But this year, due to Corona, Mother's Day is not being celebrated in any school. So celebrate Mother's Day in your home. Stay home. Be safe. Especially mothers are invited in the school so as to make them feel honored for whatever they do to help their children grow and understand the entire passage in the world. Schools prepared for an assortment of activities for Mother's Day celebration, while some of the students prepare for Mother's Day rhyme in English. Some of them prepare it in Hindi. Some of them also prepare for Mother's Day essay, speeches, poem, and other Mother's Day activities. Mothers on this day go to their children's school to participate in the celebration. But this year, due to Corona, Mother's Day is not being celebrated in any school. So, I will request you all to celebrate Mother's Day in your home and be in home and stay safe and fight with Corona. Now we'll talk about the fourth fact, that is the zeal of Mother's Day celebration. A mother is not a person to lean on, but a person to make leaning unnecessary. Every child celebrates this auspicious day, Mother's Day, to show love to their mother. It's observed as one of the significant events of the year and is observed on second Sunday of the month May. Every year, it has become new trend in school that Mother's Day is celebrated by children in front of their mother on Mother's Day. Children gift to their Mother's Day card and gift items and make their mom feel special. Some families also plan for dinner and go out together to celebrate Mother's Day. A mother is enough to brother. A mother is everything she can alone handle all the relationship and give one taste of all the love one gets from different members of their family. She is the best friend you can share your life with without bothering to be judged and be caught for something which we not right in your life. It is her selfless love that a mother showers upon her children which make you and your mother an inseparable entity. She laughs when her children do. She is happy when her children are, and she cries when her children do. A mother is only the person who will not leave their children alone. Whatsoever may be circumstances, she cares for her children wholeheartedly without asking for anything in return. Sixth fact is Mother's Day, second Sunday of May. Mother's Day in India is celebrated on second Sunday of every year in the month of May. All the members of family organize get together on Mother's Day and go out to dine together. All the family members wish the mother of the house a very warm and beautiful Mother's Day. Here is the mistyping of word. They, by offering to their mother and chanting gifts, it has been very rightly said that a home cannot be called as a home without a mother. Those who have lost their mother can understand very well the implication associated with not having a mother. Mother is the only one who cares about us just like she does for a child even we grew up. Her contribution is in our life is in fact countless. Seventh fact, our mother is superhero. Here a card is given. A mother is a person who saying there are only 4 pieces of pie for 5 people permanently announced. A mother without being bothered on her own health and comfort takes care of all the responsibilities of her household and all the members of family. It the grace of the God that a mother is empowered with, which makes her strong enough that she works for so long, and that too without getting tired. For a while, when she finds her children in pain, she literally forgets about all her own pain. She is such satisfied creature that she takes up a huge responsibility on her soldiers, and that too without being paid for it. Though her contribution is so very much bigger that we cannot compensate for it, but at least we can show our gratitude to our gorgeous mother by wishing her on Mother's Day. Thanks for watching the video. I will glad to see you in my next coming video. For more contact Vikas English Academy on the given following details. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video. This is my pic with my Nani Ma. She is mother of my mother. So, I will wish her a wonderful Mother's Day today. And the next pic is me with my lovely mother. Thank you. Have a nice day and celebrate Mother's Day in your home, and being home, stay safe and fight with Corona. Thank you.